Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today I'm going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Eco Wedge Pro Solar Motion Light. So in the box we have the instructions, some screws to mount the light, and the light itself. Now this high-powered 38 SMD solar motion light packs an incredible 500 lumens of light. It has a high-density solar panel on the top and gives you 5 meters of motion detection. It's a very easy light to install. It's a matter of screwing the 2 screws into the wall and hooking the security light on. Now the reason this light will not turn on in daylight is because it has a dusk sensor in the solar panel, which means that this light only starts working once the solar panel detects a certain amount of darkness. So after you've charged it for the recommended 12 to 24 hours, you just push this button here, and that's what 500 lumens will get you. So the LED itself is a white SMD light. It's designed in the UK to withstand a UK winter. It has an IP64 ensuring this. This light is built to withstand UK winters, and if you have any other questions regarding this product, please make sure to comment down below and we will answer your questions for you. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.